I'm Gordon Gochenauer, the oncology practice lead at Syma International. ASCO 2018 represented a moderate success for manufacturers focused in breast cancer. We saw continued success with CDK inhibitors, particularly Kisqali from Novartis, and mixed success for novel inhibitors of the PI3 kinase and AKT pathways. First, in the MONALEESA-3 trial, we saw that Kisqali improved progression-free survival when combined with Faslodex in first or second line ER/PR positive breast cancer. In of itself, these results weren't particularly surprising, given that Kisqali has improved PFS in combination with an aromatase inhibitor or tamoxifen in previous phase 3 trials. But as a whole, the 3 phase 3 MONALEESA trials for Novartis give Kisqali somewhat of an advantage in that Kisqali will be approved in combination with 3 types of hormone inhibitors, so an AI, Faslodex, and tamoxifen. This would be unique compared to Ibrance, by far the market leader, which is only approved with an AI or Faslodex, and somewhat of a differentiation with Lilly's Verzenio, the third-to-market CDK inhibitor, which is also approved in combination with an AI and Faslodex, but has somewhat of an advantage in that it's also approved as a monotherapy. Verzenio's other key advantage may be that it's dosed daily and continuously, whereas Ibrance and Kisqali are dosed daily for 3 weeks, followed by a 1-week rest period. And the rest is really due to adverse events, which is also really another key differentiator between the 3. Ibrance's key adverse event is neutropenia. Kisqali has liver toxicity and QT prolongation, or a heart-related adverse event. Verzenio's key adverse event is diarrhea, which is fairly well managed with over-the-counter meds, but also can cause thromboembolism as well. But as a whole, really, Verzenio and Kisqali are both facing an uphill battle over Ibrance, and at this point, Ibrance will likely be the market leader, and it's a battle between Kisqali and Verzenio for second place. Then secondly, in the breast cancer oral session, we saw mixed results from inhibitors of the PI3 kinase and AKT pathway. In general, the hope is that these inhibitors are particularly active in underserved populations of breast cancer, such as triple-negative breast cancer, or also those that have a PIK3CA mutation. The PIK3CA mutation occurs approximately in about 25% of all breast cancers. It may be more likely to occur in triple-negative breast cancers, but also occurs in hormone receptor-positive breast cancers. So, first, in the Sandpiper trial, we saw Genentech Roche's PI3K inhibitor, ipatasertib, combined with Faslodex. So the combination improved progression-free survival by 2 months and doubled overall response rate in ER-positive PIK3CA mutated breast cancer. Unfortunately, the results didn't meet expectations for Genentech and Roche. So with the moderate improvement in efficacy, but the overwhelming adverse events, such as severe diarrhea, colitis, and hyperglycemia, the company decided to cease development of the trial, or of the drug as a whole. These types of toxicities, though, diarrhea, colitis, hyperglycemia, this is really a class effect. We've seen this with other PI3 kinase and mTOR inhibitors as well. It's plagued Gilead's Zydelig, and also has previously led AbbVie to stop development of its PI3 kinase inhibitor due to the similar adverse events. However, Genentech saw positive results from its AKT inhibitor, ipatasertib. In the randomized phase 3 trial nicknamed Lotus, ipatasertib, when combined with paclitaxel, improved progression-free survival results in triple-negative breast cancer patients as a whole. However, the result was really enhanced and really solely observed in PIK3CA, AKT, and PTEN-altered patients. So this result led to the company to initiate the Opportunity 130 trial in PIK3CA, AKT, and PTEN-altered patients, essentially just duplicating the results of the Lotus trial, but in a larger phase 3 setting. Also, AstraZeneca had positive results from a similar drug, an AKT inhibitor called capavasertib, in a randomized phase 2 trial. Also, AstraZeneca combined capavasertib with paclitaxel in triple-negative breast cancer, also in PIK3CA, AKT, and PTEN-altered patients. So this trial, though the company hasn't really announced a phase 3 trial yet, it'll undoubtedly lead to a phase 3 trial. And these results as a whole will likely lead to another validated biomarker in breast cancer. HER2 positivity, ERPR positivity have been long-standing biomarkers. Now we know that BRCA is becoming a more important biomarker with the approval of Lynparza and the likely approval of talazoparib in BRCA-mutated breast cancer. But it's quite possible that PTEN-altered patients will become another subset of breast cancer in the near future.